Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook Messenger switch account. To know how to fix Facebook Messenger switch account, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will go to click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.